Hey Liam, you want to roll over for me?
Mark? Thanks a lot. I appreciate that. I'm so glad you guys are doing so well.
Come
It's
on,
awesome.
roll over. So close. No, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. Come on, you can do it. You're almost there. Here, you sidetracked it? Focus, baby. Liam, hey.
Okay.
Hey, Liam. You gonna roll over? Maybe?
Mm,
Close! Almost! Almost! Oh, come on! Yeah! Yeah, that counts. Good job. Good job. What do you think now? Can you roll back to the other side? Can you roll back? Good job. Whoa. Trying to do a
oh,
backflip?
that was thoughtful. Yeah, I'll be praying for Anthony too. Yeah, I bought one book. One book I bought
How you doing
was
down there?
we
Whoa!
wanted to give. I bought a Japanese Bible for
You
the
gotta spring back.
one
Spring.
of our
Then
living
you
room
can
where
jump
I was
up.
supposed to do it. And we went out there to Japan, and I was like waiting, for the move. And there was just no move, so I just have it, and I just pray for them when I see it. When I see it, just got this random Japanese Bible laying around. But it's like sometimes you just gotta
Good work,
take that
Liam.